Welcome to our guide on how to integrate a Gmail account into KUNOMAIL using an app password for Google two-factor authentication. Before you start setting up KUNOMAIL, make sure you have enabled two-factor authentication in your Google account and created an app password. If you haven't already done these steps, follow the relevant instructions to make sure you can use an app password for the connection. To do this, click on the following YouTube link. Start KUNOMAIL on your computer. Go to Settings in the main menu to add a new email account or edit an existing account. To add your Gmail account, go to Accounts in the Settings menu and select Add New Account. In the next step, you enter your Gmail email address. Normally, you would enter your Google password here, but since you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will use the app password you created earlier instead. Now copy the app password and paste it into the password field in KUNOMAIL. Make sure you enter the app password correctly before continuing. Remove any spaces if necessary. After you have entered the app password, click Save. KUNOMAIL will now connect to your Gmail account and retrieve the required settings automatically. This process should only take a few seconds. Once setup is complete, you can use KUNOMAIL to receive and send emails from your Gmail account. The connection has been successfully established, and you can now use all features as usual. Please note that you should keep the app password safe in case you need to use it again later. Never use your normal Google password if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Always use the app password for apps like KUNO-Mail that do not support two-factor authentication. Thank you for your valued attention. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to seeing you again soon.